it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Catching Cars. My name is Isaiah, and these right here are the keys to our test vehicle today, which is a 2021 GMC Yukon. It's not the Denali version, it is the SLT trim level. So we're going to go ahead and take this out on the interstate or the highway, just drive around, a quick little POV, and then we're going to give you guys my impressions of the vehicle. We are not in Germany, as you might be able to tell. We are in the United States, in Georgia at the time, so there's going to be no acceleration run, no top speed run, but like I said, we're just going to go ahead on this little POV cruise and see how this thing goes, and then I'll tell you guys basically what I think of it. Move this to there. So first thing you notice when you drive this thing, by the way, is that it's just super large. I mean, even here in the States, it feels pretty big. It's definitely no small vehicle. I guess we're gonna go ahead and take right here. I'm not sure. Don't know my way around this area so well, but we're just gonna see where we go. So it is a very large vehicle, even here in the States. Of course, there are other cars that are even larger, and there is the Yukon XL, which is a longer version of this. But you sit up really high, even compared to most other SUVs and trucks, and you get a really commanding view of the road, and I really like it, actually. One thing I did notice, though, is quality-wise, it's really not that great. I have a little rattle and squeak there from somewhere here in the dashboard in this area, and well, otherwise it's decent, but just overall I get a feeling that it is a bit dated, and just the quality is not really super luxurious. Maybe the Denali version is a bit better with that, but here overall, like I said, quality is not perfect, but I am decently surprised with this vehicle. I just like it. I don't know why. I just really like driving it around. Like I said, here in the United States, where the roads are super big and everything anyway, and most people have big vehicles. This is great. You have a third row bench there for your passengers. Plenty of space in this thing. So it's basically an alternative to driving a minivan, and of course this is a lot cooler than a minivan. This one has the, I believe it's a 5.3 liter V8 with right around 355 horsepower, and so it gets up and goes. It's no slouch. Of course, it's not super fast, but who would go ahead and race one of these? But off the line, it's really not that bad. We're going to take a left here at this light, see if we can accelerate maybe a little bit so you guys can see what I mean. Go ahead and put it in sport mode. There's a little dial here, and so yeah, it hustles. It really hustles. I'm sure this thing weighs as much as a boat, but it hustles. It really gets the job done. This 5.3 liter V8, plenty of power for most daily drives, and as I said, you can accelerate quite decently as well. And overall, like I said, quality is not the best, but overall I really like this SUV, and I don't know, it's something about it, just being one of those old school truck based large SUVs. It's just something special about it, because most SUVs nowadays are basically cars that are just lifted up. So overall, that's all I can say to this 2021 GMC Yukon. I'm just gonna go ahead and ride around for a little bit longer so you guys can have a POV without me speaking, and maybe we can get another acceleration run in. And other than that, until next time, guys. All right, so that's it for today, guys. Be sure to subscribe and leave a like, comment down below what you think of it, and I'll see you guys next time.